Okay, so let's take a look at UNICHAR function in Google Sheet. So let's say if I have some of the numbers like 65, then 32, then 45, and if you want to add them into this UNICHAR function, so what we can do, we can use UNICHAR, and within that function I passed A2, right? And if I hit enter, notice that it will show you the Unicode character for that particular number. I can also use autofill. Notice 32 didn't return with anything. Also in case of 45 it returned dash. Right, there are many other such numbers that you can try around with to get Unicode characters. Right, so let's see if I use 256, then 25,000, right, then 15,000, right. So if I use say equals to UNICHAR and that function, if you give it to A2 cell, let's hit enter, and notice it has returned to some of the Asian symbols. Most likely I assume they are either Korean or maybe Chinese, or could be Japanese as well, so I'm not very much familiar with them. But you see the numbers that are assigned to a particular Unicode character, you will be able to fetch them using these numbers and UNICHAR function. There are multiple uses of this. You can also use it to count particular numbers by first trying to replace them with these numbers and then turn them into Unicode characters. So it's interesting function. You can use it in variety of use cases.